In this video, I'll be showing you one of our stage 3 stretching exercises. This stretch is called wall walking. Charlie will be stretching his right shoulder in today's video. He will begin by placing his feet about 1 foot away from the wall, and he'll put his right hand onto the wall. I usually recommend the patient use something soft or something made of cloth so that his hand can slide easily against the wall. He will then begin by engaging his pec muscles and pushing against the wall while he slides his arm up. He will begin sliding until he feels a stretch in the right shoulder. Then he will hold that stretch for 10 seconds while engaging his pec muscle, and then slide back down the wall. He will hold that stretch for 10 seconds and repeat 10 times. Preferably, this stretch would be done 3 times per day.